In this video, let us explore download and configure VS Code. This is the editor which we are using for our Python and Playwright. That's the reason we should download Python and install so we need to download the VS Code and we need to install the VS Code. So open any browser. So we need to navigate the URL code. This is the official website code.visualstudio.com. This is the official website of Visual Studio. So here click on download. So here we have Windows and Linux and Ubuntu and as well as a Mac. These are the versions are available. Since our system is Windows, we need to download the Windows edition. So let's start downloading the Windows VS Code. So once after downloading the VS Code, you can click on Explorer window, go to downloads. Yes, the VS Code has downloaded. Right click and click on open in order to install the VS Code. So accept the license agreement and click on next button. And in this particular path only the VS Code will install. Click on next button and click on next. And if you can create a desktop icon, we can select this particular checkbox, or you may need to select the checkbox. Click on next button and click on install. It takes few seconds to install the VS Code. So once after installing the VS Code, we will create a folder structure. So it takes another few seconds. Yes, installation is completed. You no need to launch VS Code. We can launch manually. Click on finish button. Once after download and install the VS Code, first step we need to create a folder structure. So go to C drive and here we need to create one folder. The folder is Playwright Python Automation. Playwright Python Automation. Yes, we have created one folder, Playwright Python Automation. Within this folder, we need to create two folders. The first one called Demo Workspace. Second one, the current workspace. Demo Workspace and current workspace. So we need to create two folders. Under Demo Workspace, I would like to create a new folder called Sample Project. This Sample Project is going to act as our Playwright Python project. So now I would like to open the VS Code. Under Demo Workspace, I would like to open the Sample Project. So go to Start, VS Code, and go to File, Open Folder. Again go to File, Open Folder. So go to C drive. We need to search for Playwright Python Automation. The folder name is Playwright Python Automation. This is the folder. Open it. Under Demo Workspace, okay, we have a folder called Sample Project. This folder acts as a Playwright Python project. Select this particular folder and close the welcome screen. Thank you.